a web page may contain. Valid point. All of these is true. HTML language user dash. Well reasoned. Tags is the correct choice. Starts a new paragraph. Clear logic. Your choice piece is sound and 100% true. Cascading style sheets. Excellent. CS is a brilliant choice. Who is Charles Babbage? Right again. Father of computer is a valid answer. What is HTML used for? Perfect. Creating web pages is the correct choice. Smallest heading tag. Well done. H6 the right choice. A LOLT is also known as sharp thinking. Bulleted list is the right choice. The tags in HTML are well picked. Not case sensitive is the correct answer. Symbol of closing tag. On track is the correct answer. Greatest heading tag. Good thinking. Heswand is the right answer. Cease controls the dash. You chose style, and it is correct. HTML was developed by strong choice. Tim Berners-Lee is the right answer. Maximum tag number H. Excellent choice. 11-S1 is the right answer. Hello world. B. Nicely done. Hello world is a solid answer. What is meant by TD? Exactly. Data table makes sense, and it is right choice. What does HTML mean? Smart move. Hypertext markup language is an accurate answer. TML stands for dash. Solid response. Hypertext markup language is a valid choice. Part tag is for dash. You're right. Paragraph of text is the correct answer. C stands for dash. Nice work. You chose cascading style sheets, and it is correct. Setting a tag and great thinking. Italics is the right choice. What does tabar mean? Smart pick. Table data is the correct choice. ML is a subset of. Nice selection. Gmail is the correct and valid answer. Default link color. Correct. Blue is the right answer. Umgur is a dash tag. Bravo. Insert image is the answer. Tima language uses. Good job. Your answer tags works well here. Who invented HTML? Right choice. Tim Berners-Lee is the best answer. Who developed HTML? You got it? Your choice, Tim Berners-Lee, is right. HTML's length dash. Correct response. Hypertext markup language is the most accurate answer. Starts a new line. Great job, Abras is the accurate answer. Alt is short for. Correct response. Alternative text is the most accurate answer. Image is short for. Clear logic. Your choice image is sound and 100% true. Go to a new line. Great thinking. Brar is the right choice. Surfy is short for. Good job. Your answer source works well here. STD means. Smart move. Table is an accurate answer. Background means.
Good thinking. Background is the right answer.
Select empty tag. Excellent choice. Inky is the right answer. A table it defines. Excellent. A table is a brilliant choice. C stands for. Exactly. Cascading style sheets makes sense, and it is right choice. What is a label? Right again. It is a command is a valid answer. Extension of cease. On track. Cascading style sheet is the correct answer. Defines an image. Sharp thinking. Kimj is the right choice. TML stands for. Smart pick. Hypertext markup language is the correct choice. What is syntax? Solid response. Specific rules of HTML is a valid choice. Is used to. You got it. Your choice break the line is right. Amaya is a dash. Valid point. Text editor is true. The dash dish. Well done. Header line is the right choice. Which language? You chose HTML, and it is correct. What is Azure? Well reasoned. Is a cloud service is the correct choice. The end tag is. You're right. Doll's body is the correct answer. Stands for. Great job. World Wide Web is the accurate answer. Horse piece. Nice work. You chose plain line and it is correct. Notepad is a. Right choice. Text editor is the best answer. What is HTML? Perfect. A computer language is the correct choice. Input is? Well picked. An empty tag is the correct answer. Anchor tag. Correct. Ash is the right answer. Pizza. Bravo. A paragraph closing tag is the answer. Uses. Nicely done. Tags is a solid answer. Start is. Strong choice. An attribute is the right answer. Fires. Nice selection. HTML plus CSS3 plus JavaScript Apis is the correct and valid answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Well done. Contact Narayan Changder is the right choice.